Welcome to the IBM Risk Data Management Platform video. This new platform enables banks to utilise both structured and unstructured data to compute the necessary minimum level of regulatory capital. Physical documents such as credit memorandums and diary notes can be derived from various internal and external sources. They can be translated into structured data by way of text analytics and natural language processing. This structured data can then be easily consumed by your risk data modelers from a credit risk modelling team. This provides accurate and reliable regulatory capital indicators such as loss given default. This facilitates a bank to hold the minimum level of capital adequacy ratio for regulatory capital. At this minimum level for regulatory capital, a bank will then be able to maximise its profit potential. This is how a typical process for the platform works at a bank. Step 1. The bank branches scan and send documents regarding customer details to the platform. The Credit Data Service Department picks up the scan and corrects any exceptions in the data. Step 2. The IT department sends a feed of system data including customer, product, and historical information to the platform. The platform has a data profiling and data quality engine that alerts the users for any unusual exceptions. Step 3. The platform has banking know-how business rules to derive intelligent business meaning from the documents and outputs the results to the platform. There are also business rules to evaluate the golden view for certain events. For example, a default date and amount. The rules are specifically programmed to derive relevant risk information for modelling purposes. Different banks have different attributes for modelling, and the platform is configurable to make such adjustments. A quantitative analysis by a credit risk modeler can now begin. Step 4. The platform is now given the ability to the credit risk modeler to accurately calculate the level of probability of default, loss given default, and exposure at default needed to derive the minimum level capital requirements for the regulatory capital. This information helps derive an appropriate risk-based pricing model for both existing and new lending products for each credit grade or band range for various customers. Step 5. During the biannual credit review process, the bank's relationship managers review the new credit profiles of their existing customers. The bank is now able to price new and existing products correctly with their new risk-based lenses. This methodology encourages the bank to focus on customers with better credit profiles and to offer them a more favourable product pricing. This increases the bank's share of the customer's portfolio and enables the bank to offer better products to these customers. Step 6. The bank can now contact customers with favourable credit risk profiles. These targeted customers can now expect favourable pricing for new facilities or being offered favourable product bundling schemes. The journey starts with many boxes of documents which hold lots of hidden and valuable information. We assemble and digitize the documents by putting them through our data capture process. At this point, we get into the interpretation of natural language. Here, all the smarts about banking know-how can be blocked together to form useful data out of almost any document. We achieve this by codifying the banking know-how business rules. We code once and repeat many times to save manual effort and reduce cost. The patterns that can be used to do this can be quite sophisticated, and in the last few years, this technology has come a long way. Matching can be a complex process. It may involve transformations, phonetic algorithms, financial tolerances, and the platform is designed for configuration of the business rules to guide the process. There are a lot of technical details that go into the matching, and for demonstration purposes, we have only shown a small part of the process. Once all the data and documents are processed, the platform is ready for business user interaction. A powerful feature is to be able to search any phrase across the corpus of documents and system data. The tool also has a "Did you mean?" function, similar to the Google search engine. This helps users to find things they may have spelt incorrectly. We have clearly demonstrated the risk data management platform's ability to achieve joining the dots of disparate information, reducing the manual effort, delivering an accurate, repeatable, and consistent process, and providing an automatically stitched visual data lineage for APRA reporting purposes. We hope you've enjoyed our demonstration and found it exciting and compelling. Thank you.